What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another content series, another video of our 97 Honda Civic EK hatch here at PLM Private Label Manufacturing. For today's video, you guys remember this Honda Civic EK hatch. We picked this up for around $5,000 last year, and it's been sitting for, I would say, over a year now. And this used to be black, we painted it with orange, and we're gonna put the K24 motor in. Built K24 motor today, built by one of our great partners down in Oklahoma. They're called Humble Performance. And also, if you guys don't know me, I'm your host. My name's John, or everyone calls me J Ray. I'm one of the social media guys and also marketing guys here at PLM Private Label Manufacturing. And behind the camera is a great boy, handsome boy, Johnson. What's up? Anyways, let's go ahead and get into the video. So a couple of things we're going to do today. We are going to change out the EK Subframe to the EG Subframe, because if we do the EK Subframe, a lot of things might not work. And after that, we're going to change out the K-Swap engine mounts. So we're going to check out the clearance of our K-Swap header, and we're going to test fit all the mountings and also the motor as well, which is the K24 behind me. So these are the PLM K-Swap mounts that we are going to be installing later on after the subframe has already been swapped out into the EG one. Now, there's a few of these here, so we're going to show you guys how many of these that we need. So this would be the PLM K-Swap header that we are going to use. Right. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Exactly, but I'm with you, man. Right. All the gaskets here. Get it. Ooh-wee. Alright guys, so we have our PLM K-Swap header here. We are going to be using this for the install, so I'm excited to put this on. I mean, not me. Evan's gonna be doing that, not me. Are going to install the PLM K-Swap mounts that we have here. So you guys already know. There's a few pieces here. Alright, so now we have taken out the stock EK Subframe. We're now going to put the EG Subframe that we recently just bought. Alright, so now that the EG Subframe is finally installed, we already went ahead with the PLM K-Swap mounts. We also need a few hardwares, which are also coming. After the PLM K-Swap mounts, we are going to install the motor, which is K24 fully built. After we install the motor, we are going to test fit the header and see the clearance, if the clearance is pretty good or not. Let's get it.
All this it is. He's got to put his car back to stock. I did it because she's white. I was like, come on, man.
Huge shout out to Evan for leading this 97 Honda Civic EK hatch K-Swap build. We've done a lot of great things today, guys. First things first was, again, the EG Subframe, PLM K-Swap mounts, and installing this beautiful K24 built motor. All right, on to the next section. Let's get it. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are focusing on the Tucked Radiator, and we also have the PLM filler neck, and lastly we are going to install our PLM K-Swap header. Originally we were going to do the PLM manifold, but unfortunately we sold out of those. It's one of our best selling products, which also works out because it helps out the business. It also helps out this bill. I don't want to talk much more, guys. Make sure to stay tuned. All right, let's go ahead and get into the video. We are using our PLM Tucked Radiator for this Honda Civic EK K-Swap build. Believe it or not, this is actually the first time I've seen it in person. I've seen a lot of videos about this, a lot of people running it online, but this is the first time on hand. It's actually not that heavy, guys, so I'm going to show you guys the quality real quick before we get in. The welds are really nice. You guys see that? So this is pretty much what you guys need for this kind of build, and this is pretty much worth it. And obviously, you guys, we would need SPAL Fans for this. So we need 2 of these, and shout out to SPAL Fans. We are also carrying SPAL Fans here at PLM, Private Label Manufacturing. Alright, for this build, for our build, we need 2 of these for now, okay? Hopefully we just need 2. Pretty sure we just need 2. Alright, guys, so again, we have the Tucked Radiator right here, SPAL Fans, and we also have the PLM filler necks. These are some of the accessories that we need, and we also have the PLM header bolts that we would need for our PLM K-Swap header. So, get into it. The first thing we are going to do for today's video, guys, is we are going to mount this, or we're going to install this Tucked Radiator that we have. There might be a concern here, since Evan said it might be welded. Hopefully this is not welded. I don't even know what is this called, like front something? I saw it.
The bumper support. Like
a bumper support, right? Yeah, I know PLM, we actually have one, so if we do need to get rid of it, we have a sub for this. Now that we are putting our Tucked Radiator in, we will need to modify a couple things here. And in order for us to get our PLM Tucked Radiator, we just need to take this off, and that way we wouldn't have any problems in the future. There you go. So Evan right here is going to test fit our PLM Tucked Radiator. Again, guys, we already modified this front end chassis. The middle part actually used to have a center. What was that thing called?
The T-bar, or raise support bar.
Support bar, or it was like a middle support bar. Well, those PAL fans are looking pretty decent, pretty good.
They look cute.
What we pretty much did today, guys, was we took out the bumper. You guys are in the bumper.
Cut that section.
Oh, we cut this section right here. Oh, I actually thought it was bigger, but yeah. So this one used to be in the middle or behind. Was that, what is this called again?
It's like a support bar. Part of the raise support.
Yeah, so it's a support bar. It's part of the radiator support, pretty much what Evan said. In order for us to install this, at least best way, so we had to get rid of that center section. We also drilled a couple holes, correct? Yeah. Did some modifications here. Also did the SPAL fans. You guys already see the SPAL fans right there. Last thing we did today, Evan, was compliance bushings. These 2 right here, right?
So next is the front traction bar. I think we're still waiting on that.
Okay.
But, yeah, this actually helps a lot. It's solid bushings compared to the OEM rubber. You know, you're gonna make that amount of horsepower is gonna
vibrate, movements, vibrations, and stuff.
Yeah.
Ooh. All right, guys, so there y'all have it. This is going to be the last part of the video. We did a lot of great things for the past 2 sections. first one and second one. So first one we did subframe, K-Swap Mounts, also the K24 built motor. Second section we started off with our radiator. Reason why it was a little bit longer, it's because we also did little modifications, such as cutting up the center part, or like the center piece that supports the stock radiator. Also added our beam bar, or however you guys want to call it, but here at PLM we call it beam bars. But anyways guys, for episode 2, we want you guys to stay tuned. We have a list we'll be showing you guys later on. We are still waiting on a couple parts, PLM parts that we are going to install in this car. While we're waiting, we are also going to tackle a couple of things, and that way we don't have any downtime. So we're going to do in the next episode would be shifter cables, shifters. Also, we haven't actually installed the K-Swap header yet. We're waiting for a couple parts as well. Other than that, we have a lot of things to put on the list later on. Make sure to stay tuned for that, guys. All right, thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more Honda Civic EK hatch content here at PLM. All right, see you guys in the next video. Peace.